나도
사랑.
아주씨 사랑해요. 저도요. 똑같대요.
네. 똑같아요.
아 진짜 왜 이러냐 내가?
I get attracted to extroverts because I'm an introvert.
Have a chance, I think.
네.
Hello. Hello.
Whoa.
Ooh, what a good voice.
Voice.
Yeah, voice really deep. Wow. You're from South Korea, right?
Yeah, South Korea.
Ooh. I really like your voice. Oh my god.
My voice?
Yeah. It's really good.
What about it?
What about it?
What about it do you like?
It's deep. Like, I mean, it's like a really, really man voice, you know?
Oh, you like manly voice.
Yeah. What is that? I heard.
It's my dog. He wants to be hugged.
Oh, really? Why you just... Oh my god. Hi.
He's been on my lap this whole time, so
Oh my god.
I don't want it to be up. I don't think you're from the US, are you? It says you're from the US.
Oh, really?
But
Oh, yeah.
Are you originally from the US?
No. Half Indonesia and half... Indonesia. No, I'm originally from Indonesia.
Indonesia. Nice.
Yeah. How old are you? You seems like... I wanna guess. I think you probably like 26. Too older?
Older.
28.
Older.
No way.
I'm not kidding.
30?
Older.
잠깐만, 결혼했어요?
결혼 안 했는데요.
So, single. Oh, 35?
Yeah.
헐, 대박. Wow. You're... I thought you were
Yeah.
26. And
I was young.
And I think like 26 is too older for you. And then I realized your age is like 36. Oh my
People
god.
always think I'm like 22, 25.
왜 안 결혼해요? Why you didn't marry? Why you didn't marry?
Why? Because I didn't find someone to get married.
괜찮아.
How
괜찮아.
did you learn Korean?
드라마 때문에요. 진짜 엄청 많이 봤어요.
Drama 말고.
네.
I heard a lot of Indonesian people watch K-drama and they learn
Yeah.
Korean.
But you have a girlfriend.
No.
왜요? 잘생겼어. 왜 여자친구 없어? 왜?
안 잘생겼어.
안 잘생겼어. 야.
Lu remein gua.
Don't underestimate my eye. My eye always catching like a handsome guy. So if I tell you you're a handsome, take it.
You're cute too. Okay, I'll take it. I don't think I'm handsome.
Why you think so?
There's many more handsome guys out there.
It doesn't mean that you're not handsome just because there's a lot more someone like someone more handsome than
like-
you.
Yeah, when I see people, I'm like, wow, they're handsome. Like, they're more handsome.
Okay, it's your mind. You think that you're unjusting yourself, but my mind, you're adjusting yourself. Okay.
Thanks.
Oh, I have a question. I don't know it in Korean, but I think like what it's like 여보세요 without 세요 is what?
여보세요 without 세요 is 여보.
네, 자기야.
Is that a joke?
That's a joke. 아 잠깐만. I think there's something on your face. Come on, come a little closer. No, not a dimple. Come on, little closer. Oh, 아니에요. 그냥 잘생김. 어때요?
You're funny. You're funny. That's why I laughed.
Thank you.
How old are you? You're like 20?
Have a guess. Have a guess. Have a guess.
20, 19.
Dang.
You look super young.
Really? Thank
Dang.
you.
Older?
네.
22?
땡.
Oh, 23.
띵띵띵띵. So we're different. Oh my god.
12 years.
아주씨네. 맞아. 아주씨네. 근데 괜찮아. 나 아주씨 좋아요.
아저씨 사랑해요.
아저씨 좋아요.
아주씨 좋아요. 아주씨 그런 거.
왜요?
왜냐긴요. 그냥 좋아하니까. 아이.
You're so funny. Are you studying there or working there?
Working. I'm a makeup artist.
Makeup artist. That's why you have good makeup on.
No, it's just like my bro.
Oh.
왜요?
웃겨요.
웃겨요? Say less.
You're not Nojin.
Thank you. Oh my god,
Teach
but
me how to say thank you.
terima kasih.
Terima kasih. Oh wait, I knew that.
Oh really?
I knew that.
Oh sama. Oh and then if you want to be polite, you can say it like terima kasih sayang.
Terima kasih sayang.
네 괜찮아 여보. I got you every time.
Terima kasih sayang.
네. sayang mean 자기?
Oh. Okay. Are you in love with me?
No, I'm just kidding. I don't know. I think you kind of have like intimidate vibes,
Me too. I look scary.
That's why.
Wait.
Can you say wait
Maybe,
again?
Maybe. Wait.
우와, 너무 좋아.
Wait, go on.
목소리가 진짜 좋아. Oh my
Sorry?
god. Do you have any favorite singer in Korea? Like a solo singer in Korea?
Yeah.
Who is that? Who is he?
I'm listening to his song right now. Can you hear it?
No, I can't even hear it. Who's the artist?
Well, hold on, let me play for you. You can hear it at all?
No, I can hear your voice, but I can't hear the music.
Oh. I thought you'd be able to hear it because I'm playing on my laptop.
Oh, do you?
Makes me want to cry.
Where? Oh my god. I think I know the singer. Who's the singer?
He has an English name.
Yeah? I'm gonna
Roy Kim. I don't know if you know him.
Roy Kim? I know him.
He's my favorite.
Oh really? Roy Kim. Aduh, apa ya?
I love singing his songs. Oh my god.
You really like Roy Kim?
He's my favorite.
Can you sing?
I can, but I'm shy to sing.
Why? I'm not a judge. I'm just a stranger, so I wanna hear it. But if you
This song?
Yeah. Wait.
Hold on.
Oh, I'm gonna hear you singing.
Let me cover myself. I'm really shy.
No, it's okay. I'm not gonna look at you. No. Okay.
너를 사랑하는 법은 어렵지만 지금 모습 그대로 나를 꼭 안아주세요. 우린 나중에는 어떻게 될지 몰라도 정해지지 않았어. 그게 나는 좋아요. 남들이 뭐라는 게 또 중요해요. 서로가 없으면 좋겠는데 뭐를 고민해요. 우리 함께 사랑해도 되잖아요.
Oh my god. 와 진짜.
I'm so shy.
진짜. 나 아저씨 좋아하고 갔나봐요. 진짜. 목소리가 진짜 좋아해. I really like your voice. Why you don't? 야! 강아지. 강아지. 야 이 개새끼. 아버지 좀
하지마 안돼.
어때?
You sound good. 잘한다.
알아요. 감사합니다.
알아요?
Just start YouTube channel if you want it. 잠깐만. Are you introvert?
Yeah, I am.
진짜? Oh my god. I think it's really.
You're an extrovert.
I think is it really hard to talk with me because I'm extrovert?
No,
Like,
it's not hard to talk with you. I'm okay with like one-on-one conversations, but
oh really?
yeah.
Cause you know I on the level in like extrovert.
I can tell.
You can tell. I think I have to be more introvert and be more mysterious. Okay.
Am I mysterious?
Yeah. 무섭네.
So,
무서워. 진짜 무서워.
wait.
그냥 you look like a 강패.
I look like a cook.
You look like a gangster, so it's just make me like you give me that vibe, but just because like thanks God I have a like extrovert, so yeah, I can push my skin. See, you do like this is like a 강패.
I fight a lot, actually. Do you see this?
Yeah. What
I
is
got
that?
punched the other day.
But it looks like a therapist, you know, like yes! 거짓말 하지 마. It looks like you know, like some therapist thing ball in the fire and then you wait what?
맞아.
야, 거짓말 하지 마.
But it's because I got beat up, so it hurts. So that's why I had to.
Why you fight a lot? Are you a fighter or is that your job? You are like a boxing MMA or something like that? AAA? Why you fight then?
I do martial arts, yeah. MMA. I can beat you up though.
Why you wanna beat me up? I just want to marry you. Why you wanna beat me up?
If you get married to me, if you make me angry, I can beat you up.
I can beat you up too, cause I'm a red belt taekwondo.
忘了告诉你，我学了跆拳道，黑带2段。
I'm
How
middle?
much do you?
I'm
How
middle?
tall are you?
I'm a 165 centimeter.
Oh, you're pretty tall. You're pretty tall.
Yeah, and I'm pretty strong.
Do you have muscle?
I do have muscle.
Pembohong, kau pembohong.
I see it.
You have to use 2 glasses and you can see it.
apa coba.
I'm a fighter too. This one, yeah. So don't.
Oh wow, you're so scary.
웃어네. 웃어네.
Yeah, you make me laugh.
I have a dimple also, but it's not really in here.
You need to make it bigger. Oh yeah, I see it now.
So, why do you have really good accents? Like your English is really good. Like most of Korean I met here.
I like picking up accent. When I learn the languages, I try to mimic the native speakers.
Oh, really?
Teach me something in Indonesian.
Sayang.
Sayang.
Sayang. Terus apa lagi ya? Aku
Aku
cinta
cinta
kamu.
kamu.
sayang. Aku cinta kamu sayang.
Aku cinta
iya. 나도
sayang.
아주씨 사랑해요. 저도요. 똑같대요.
네, 네. 똑같아요.
아 진짜 왜 이러냐 내가?
I get attracted to extroverts because I'm an introvert.
I have a chance, I think.
네, 네. No, I'm just kidding, you know, just never mind. Sometimes I just slip my tongue for a second. That's okay.
Yeah.
You're fine. You like to make people laugh,
Thank you.
but that's good. We need people like you.
I don't know your name, by the way.
Jimin.
Jimin?
Jimin, yeah.
좋은 이름. Nice to meet you, Jimin. Jimin 아주씨? 오빠.
아저씨, 오빠, whatever you want to call.
자기. 그럼 그렇갈까?